Have you ever purchased a gaming console, but then realized you still had to spend more money to buy video games to play on your new console? If this has happened to you, stay tuned. I have a solution for you. Welcome to Tech Unboxing Videos. I'm Gil Davis. If this is your first time joining us, we are a YouTube channel that unveils and unboxes all things tech and sometimes beyond. If you're a returning viewer, we say thank you and welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing a PS4 exclusive Fortnite edition. With that said, let's get right into the unboxing and start the unboxing process. Yay! Alright, so for the sake of time, I went ahead and I removed the plastic from each and every item on the table. The only item I didn't remove from the box is the actual gaming console itself. So let's take a look at the console. So keep in mind, this is a PS4 exclusive Fortnite edition gaming console. Alright, so let's look and see which end to open it up. Oh, look at that. This is awesome. Wow. Just having it in my hand just feels so exclusive. Look at that. Give you a sneak peek of that. Wow. So that's the front of the gaming console. On the front of it, you will see that, let's see. All right, so there is a power button right here. The button next to it is a button to eject your DVD out of, or any potential games that you have. Over to this side, you will see a port for your USB for your gaming controller, and then you'll see another USB for the second gaming controller. On the back, here's a port for the power cord, and then port for a LAN cable or an Ethernet cable to accelerate your speed when you're trying to connect it to your PC or your TV for the very first time. All right, take a look at that. Look at that, that is awesome. And then that's the back of it. So let's look at the box, and I'll read some things off the box in terms of what's inside, or talk about some of the things that we pulled out of the box. All right, so it says it has an HDR, and the HDR is high dynamic range, and the HDR is the latest technology that's on the market so that you can actually improve your video quality. And it also has a 1 terabyte inside of this gaming console. Okay, now let's read and see what it has, the things that we pulled out. All right, so PlayStation 4 gaming console. Here's the gaming console. It has a DualShock 4 wireless controller. This is your DualShock 4 wireless controller. Has a Neo Phrenzy bundle content voucher. Here's your content voucher. On the back of this voucher is a code that you can use to download so that you can actually go in and start playing your entire Fortnite bundle at no charge to you. All right, so the next thing is a mono headset. So here's your mono headset. So this is a headset that I would only recommend to use temporarily until you can purchase a gaming headset. Then you have an HDMI cable. Here's your HDMI cable. Again, all of the cords plug into the back of the gaming console. Then you have the AC power cord. So here's your AC power cord, and that goes into the back of the gaming console. And then the last one is a USB cord. On this end of the USB is a connection that you plug into this end of the gaming controller. And this is the cord that you use to charge up your gaming controller. Okay? And then here are your printed materials. Here are all your printed materials right here. I think that's about it. I have something on the back. It says, also it includes exclusive content. You have the Epic Neo Versa outfit that's inside of the, once you download the game. Then you have the Epic Neo Phrenzy Back Bling. Then you have 2,000 V-Bucks that comes with it. And I am sweating. So I think that's it. So with that said, remember, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and smack that bell notification. Until next time, see ya!